As you begin a brisk walk, your muscles slowly wake up from rest. Blood flow starts increasing with every step you take. Your joints loosen and your body prepares for movement. Energy begins circulating through your system. This simple start signals your body to become more active and alive. With each step, your leg muscles contract and relax in rhythm. Tiny muscle fibers start working together. This gentle, repeated movement builds strength over time. Your legs become more stable and flexible. Daily walking helps maintain muscle power as you age. Your heart begins pushing blood faster through the vessels. Red blood cells carry oxygen to every organ. Circulation becomes smoother and more efficient. Tissues receive the nutrients they need. Your body starts to feel warmer and more energized. The heart beats slightly faster during the walk. This strengthens the heart muscle over time. Blood flows more efficiently through the arteries. The heart becomes more resilient. Regular walking keeps the heart strong and healthy. Your lungs expand with deeper, steady breaths. Fresh oxygen fills the airways. This oxygen enters the bloodstream. Each breath fuels your body with energy. Your stamina slowly begins to improve. Oxygen molecules travel through the bloodstream. They reach your working muscle cells. Cells use this oxygen to produce energy. Muscles feel more active and responsive. This process keeps your body moving with ease. As the walk continues, the body starts using stored fat. Fat cells slowly shrink as energy is burned. Calories are converted into movement. This helps control body weight naturally. Regular walking supports a healthier body shape. Your joints begin moving more smoothly. Cartilage stays lubricated with motion. This reduces stiffness and discomfort. Movement becomes more comfortable. Daily walking keeps joints flexible and healthy. Walking increases blood flow to the brain. Neurons become more active. Signals travel faster between brain cells. Mental clarity begins to improve. Your mood and focus feel noticeably better. Stress hormones begin to decrease. The body releases calming chemicals. Your muscles start to relax. Tension fades from the shoulders and neck. A peaceful, relaxed feeling spreads through your body. Glucose moves from the bloodstream into the muscles. Blood sugar levels become more stable. The body uses energy more efficiently. This reduces sudden sugar spikes. Walking helps lower the risk of diabetes. Movement gently stimulates the digestive system. Food travels more smoothly through the intestines. Nutrient absorption improves. The stomach feels lighter and more comfortable. Regular walking supports better digestion. Bones receive gentle pressure with each step. This signals them to become stronger. Bone density slowly improves. The skeleton becomes more stable. Walking helps protect against fractures as you age. Your muscles begin balancing the body. The spine becomes more aligned. Shoulders naturally move back. Posture improves with every step. You stand and walk with more confidence. After 30 minutes, your entire body feels energized. Blood flows smoothly through every organ. Muscles, heart, and brain work in harmony. You feel lighter, calmer, and more active. A simple daily walk can keep your body strong, balanced, and full of life.